After some showers and rumbles early this morning, it's much quieter. Tellico Village on Tanasi Cove looks like a boat coming back from a nice evening cruise, if you will. 76 in Loudoun and Philadelphia, same thing in Lenore City. So it's been a mild day today. Temperatures get warmer through the week, but first we got to deal with a threat for some scattered storms later tonight. And it's with this cold front that's making its way through Missouri and Illinois now. The orange is the severe thunderstorm watch, meaning conditions are favorable for severe storms, and all the yellow polygons that are rapidly popping up, those are severe thunderstorm warnings. That means severe weather is occurring. And this whole area is under a level 2 out of 5 risk for severe thunderstorms, stretching all the way to middle Tennessee. So why am I showing this? Well, let's get a little bit closer. We're right on the fringe of this. That line, that cluster of storms, which is developing now, comes southward as we go overnight tonight. Biggest question is, what state will it be in when it gets here? I think a little weaker, obviously, which is why we're in the level 1 out of 5 risk, but I still think there's that possibility some of these storms could produce some isolated damaging wind gusts. I want to make sure you have multiple ways to get alerts in case any are issued overnight. Let's talk about timing. Quiet really now. Get to midnight, we'll be watching Bowling Green, north of Nashville, scattered storms there that will drop south and eastward into the overnight hours. Getting close to the plateau or beyond it, that's around 3 a.m. and then dropping south and eastward as we go through daybreak. And really, once we're about sunrise, we're done. Rest of the day will be quiet. Temperatures will warm up into the upper 70s to right around 80 degrees. Clouds may be a little slow to clear out, but they will eventually. That leads to kind of a cool start Wednesday morning. We'll have a couple of mornings with some cooler, fresher, refreshing starts, if you will. Upper 40s to near 50 for the plateau into Kentucky, mid 50s elsewhere. But that's cold front that came through comes back later in the week. So warmth comes back, moisture comes back in the form of scattered storms. But really after tomorrow morning, we'll have all of Tuesday afternoon, Wednesday, and Thursday staying on that drier side before rain chances come back late weekend. So let's talk about tomorrow. I really think the majority of the storms are out of here before sunrise. We'll climb back to about 79 in Knoxville by the afternoon. If you see a little more sunshine like Clinton and Kingston, you'll probably get closer to the low 80s. So we head up towards the plateau, much the same. I think rain chances are gone before sunrise. 78 Crossville, 77 Oneida and Jamestown, up into southeast Kentucky, pretty much the same. Close to 80 in Barberville, 76 Middlesboro, 75 Harlan. You'll be a little warmer if you have less cloud cover as we go through the day. Rain chances hold on mid-morning, I'd say, early to mid-morning for the Smokies, then a little drier as we head into the afternoon. I talked about those cooler mornings behind the system for Wednesday and Thursday. We've got some mid to upper 50s. Outlying areas obviously will be a little cooler than that. Relatively dry, quiet, but then moisture comes back, warmth comes back. These storm chances for Friday, Saturday, they're mainly afternoon, evening, very summer-like, right? And then they calm down once the sun sets. The one caveat is Sundays, Mother's Day's opportunities a little later, cold front pushing through, and those storm chances could last a little bit longer into the nighttime hours.
Okay, Ken, thank you very much.